get angry. I don't want to get angry because I know.
This is the color.
Are we painting everything? Are we just branding?
20 minutes. No, this one, that one will go. We'll make use of this.
Should I also paint? Should we do that side?
Yeah, that side as well, yes. But you only have one.
I'm not painting.
If you use all.
Yeah, my pencil.
Go to the other side. Do the other side. Do like a big block. How I'm doing a big block because we're doing different colors, like a rainbow. Biggie said 20 minutes. Yeah, I'll show you. We're 5 minutes in.
I'm telling you.
Bro, you're wasting time. Use big color to cover more surface area. Big brush. Bro, I want this to be a color that everybody needs because once we use it on one color, we can't use it on another. That's why I haven't used it. There's no time. Guy, somebody should be calling also. One person should be calling, one person should be...
No, yellow. Look at that side.
Rachel!
Yeah?
No, that's good. We
Our
are
work is fine. It's fine.
The white is deep. It's color now.
I see it.
Ma?
What's this? The old
No,
daddy.
she can't do it like that.
No, she makes it for me. Looking to serious. Really funny. That's the emphasis of this thing. Cruise, that thing. Use this thing or something. It would be very nice. People are doing something to read it.
Once the 15 minutes elapse, it will be time for your cocktail presentation.
Just crush this.
No, you have to
That's fine.
put the orange peelings inside.
Yeah, I'm going to put that on the, I'm going to do that on the end.
Pick it.
I'm going to do that on the end. I'm going to do that on the end. Trust me. So wait, can somebody be doing something else? Okay, so I'll do a short story.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the island's treasure and the captain's secret.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult.
Tonight's winner is Cruise Crew.
Thank you, big brother. Thank you, big brother. Thank you, big brother. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, big brother.
Captain Morgan.
Oh, thank you.
Cruise Crew.
Yes, big brother.
This far, man. This far.
Congratulations.
Thank you, big brother.